How to turn off active on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and then turn off your active status on Instagram so that you do not want anybody to know that you are currently active. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first, what you have to do is just go ahead and then launch the Instagram app as well. And once you launch the Instagram app, come to your profile page. From the bottom right corner, tap on the three lines on the top right hand side of the screen, go to the option that says settings, and once you go to settings over here, you want to look for the option called privacy. And as you tap on privacy, scroll down a little bit and you're under the messages and guide section, you'll find the one that says activity status. This is exactly what we're looking for, so just tap on it. Currently it is turned on, which means everybody on my following or follower list will be able to view my active status. So if I want to turn this off, all I have to do is turn off this toggle over here. Once I turn off that toggle, my active status is going to be turned off, and now if I come to my DMs page after refreshing, I'll not be able to see active people on Instagram. Now this is also the downside. When you turn off your own active status, you'll also not be able to see others' active status. That's all it takes to turn off your active on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.